Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to some great tones here on Gordon Guitar. We have Davido here. It's with Sean Paul and Ding Dong featuring Musa keys. It's a song called Unavailable. So we have this one chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song, with some small tweaks to it. I'm gonna explain that pretty soon for you. Anyway, let's go over the 5 chords needed for a song and no need for any capo. Let's start with F. So that's a bar chord. You place a bar here on the 1st fret of all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Okay, next chord is the G. So that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We also have the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And finally we have the E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So we're gonna learn the string pattern first. So grab that F, that's the 1st chord, and we're gonna play a very common string pattern for this kind of music here with this rhythm. It will be down, up, clap, down. So first a down, short pause, and then comes up, clap, down. That's one round. A couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm here will be. All right, so let's take a look at this chord progression. And yeah, I can just mention a couple times here, it switches here between 2 chords here. So we're gonna look at one common, sorry, not one common, but one chord progression here, and I will show you then what chords are switched sometimes. So we'll stick to this one first. It will be F for 3 string rounds, then G 1, then A minor 3, then G1, that's the first half, and then it starts over again with F3, then G1, then D minor 3, and E1. And that is one chord progression. I mentioned you can play this from the beginning till the very end of this song, but sometimes it switches up, and the chords you need to switch then is the 1st chord, the F. So instead of playing F, you start with A minor, and when you come to the A minor, you play the F. So A minor and F, they will simply just switch place. So every time when you start with F, you play it in the same way as we learned the chord progression. But if you start with the A minor, then you need to switch upon these 2 chords. Whenever the A minor comes, you play F, and vice versa there. So that is pretty much what you need to know for this song here. 5 chords, same chord progression from the beginning till the very end, besides from when it's switched between the F and A minor. Then you just do that and you're safe. So thank you for watching this tutorial here on Unavailable. I'm very available, so leave me a comment. I read everything, try to answer as much as I can, and I really love your support here on this channel. So thank you, and until next time, play tuned.